Hi, I am Dr. Sean and I'm going to be joining the Men's Health Clinic team from September this year. I'm currently a doctor in A&E, but I'm really excited to be entering this area of medicine that has a holistic approach to health and the goal of optimal well-being for its patients. So a little bit about me before I meet some of you in September. So I currently live in Hampshire, sort of countryside area with my wife and our brand new men's health clinic, 3-month-old baby girl. Before that, I lived in America for about 6 years or so, around the Philadelphia area, New Jersey area, where I did some of my training. I try and practice what we preach at the clinic, so I try and fill my days with, the morning ice baths, lifting some heavy things every day. I'm a blue belt in jiu-jitsu, so I try and get down a couple of times a week for some gi and no gi stuff, and try and throw in a competition every now and again when we've got the time. I love to eat, so I'm definitely going to be hitting you guys up for some recommendations when I see you. I think the biggest shortcoming I'm going to have for you guys is I know nothing about cars, so I think any of the car talk is going to have to be saved for Dr. Rob. Other than that, I'm just really excited to get started and meet some of you guys. So if you want to know a bit more about me, check out my profile on the Men's Health Clinic website. Otherwise, feel free to get in touch with any questions. Thanks, guys.